Hello students, welcome to our classes. This is our second lecture of congruence of triangles, and if you have not watched the lecture 1 of this chapter, you can watch it in the I button. Okay, so today we are taking some questions based on the topic. Okay, and in the previous lecture we are talking about the some basic concepts. Now in this lecture we are taking some questions. Okay, so this is our first question, in which we have given the figure this is O okay. So in this question OA equals to OB, which is given, and OC equals to OD, this is also given. Now we have to show that the triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD. Okay, so to prove this, we take two triangles, that is in triangle AOC and triangle BOD. Okay, AB equals to AO equals to OB, which is given. OC equals to OD, this is also given. Okay, and these two angles are vertically opposite angle, as you can see. So angle AOC equals to angle BOD, because they are vertically opposite angle. So triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD by SAS. Okay, by the property of SAS. Okay, and angle OAC equals to angle OBC by CPCT. This is the property, congruent part of congruent triangle. Okay, so if these two angles are triangles equal, then AC equals to BD. Parallel to BD. Okay, this is the first part we have proved, and this is the second part. Okay, so this is our first question. Now we are moving to second question. Okay, you can pause the video and note it down. Okay, easy question. Now in second question we have given that there is one equilateral triangle, and what we have to prove, and this is equilateral triangle. So we have to prove that show that each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Okay, we have to prove that all the angles of the equilateral triangle are 60 degree. Okay, so how can we prove this? It's very easy, because as it is equilateral triangle, so all the sides are equal, that is AB equal to BC equals to AC. Okay, okay, so angle A is equal to angle B, angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle C. Okay, all the angles are equal to each other. Okay, so let us consider that angle A, angle B, angle C all are equal to one variable, which is x. Okay, let Now, as we know that sum of angles of the triangle are 180, so if all the three angles are equal to x, so x plus x equals to 180, 3x equals to 180. So from here we have find that the value of x will be 60 degree. ठीक है. So as we all know that we have let the angle A equals to x, angle B equals to x, angle C equals to x, and the value of x will be 60. So each angle of equilateral triangle will be 60 degree. Okay, this is our second question. ठीक है. Now we are moving towards the question number 3. ठीक है. So in the third question, in isosceles triangle, prove that the altitude from the vertex bisect the base. Okay, altitude from the vertex bisect the ठीक है. altitude from the vertex bisect the base. How can we prove this question? We have to prove that this is 90 degree triangle, 90 degree angle. Okay, no, we have to prove that BD equals to CD. Okay, in triangle ADB, and triangle ADC, we have given that AB equals to AC given. Okay, AD common. AD common, and okay, now the triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by RHS. Okay, so by CPCT, BD equals to CD. Okay, this is our third question. All questions are very easy. Now we are moving towards the question number 4. This question is very important. Okay, so in this question we have given that A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so in this question we have to prove that BD equals to half of the AC. Okay, we have to prove this. Now by to prove this, okay, ओके, सो इसे प्रूव करने के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? इन ट्राइंगल ADB, हम दो ट्राइंगल लेंगे. इन ट्राइंगल ADB, इन ट्राइंगल ADB एंड triangle CDE. Okay, AD equals to CD, which is given. Okay, AD equals to CD, which is given, and BD equals to DE, which is also proved by construction. Okay, now AD equals to BC given, so and these two angles are vertically opposite angle. Okay, angle ADB is angle to CDE by vertically opposite angle. Okay, so by SAS, side angle side, so by SAS triangle ADB is congruent to triangle CDE by SAS by SAS. Okay, so AB and CE are also equal. ठीक है, by CPCT AB equals to CE, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, by CPCT. ओके, अब देखिए 1 और 2 ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल हैं, एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2। अगर दोनों इक्वल हैं तो इसका मतलब AB और CE पैरेलल हैं और BC उनकी ट्रांसवर्सल होगी। ठीक है, सो अगर AB और CE पैरेलल हैं और BC ट्रांसवर्सल है तो ये दोनों एंगल क्या होंगे? को इंटीरियर एंगल। सो सम ऑफ टू को इंटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री एज वी ऑल नो। ओके, सो एंगल ABC plus angle ECB equals to 180 degree. Okay, so from here angle ECB is equals to 90 degree. ठीक है, क्योंकि एंगल ABC तो हमारा 90 है ना, जो कि हमें गिवन था। AC राइट एंगल ABC है ना, मतलब ABC एक राइट एंगल था B पे, तो ये तो हमें गिवन था कि ABC राइट 90 डिग्री है, तो BCE हमने 90 डिग्री का प्रूफ कर लिया। अब हम दो ट्राइंगल लेंगे, इन ट्राइंगल ABC एंड इन ट्राइंगल ECB, है ना, इन ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल ECB। ओके, तो इन बोथ ऑफ दीज ट्राइंगल्स BC कॉमन, AB इक्वल्स टू EC, जैसा हमने प्रूफ किया ही ऊपर, है ना। तीन कंडीशन कौन सी आ जाएंगी? सॉरी, AC नहीं, BC इक्वल्स टू BC विच इज़ कॉमन, एंड AB इक्वल्स टू CE विच इज़ प्रूव्ड अबव, एंड एंगल B इक्वल्स टू एंगल C ईच 90 डिग्री। ठीक है, सो बाय SAS दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रूव, एंड बाय CPCT AC equal to BE. Okay, now as we prove that by CPCT AC equal to BE, मैं यहाँ सॉल्व कर दे रहा हूँ। AC equals to BE. Okay, by multiply 1/2 both of these. Okay, so half of the AC and half of the BC, and the half of the AC is half of the AD, sorry, half of the AC. Now half of the BC is half of the BE is BD. Okay, so we have proved that BD equals to half of the AC. ठीक है, ओके गाइज, एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ समझ लेते हैं AC इक्वल्स टू BE। ओके, इतना समझ आ गया, हमने यहाँ प्रूफ किया था। ठीक है, अब दोनों में 1/2 का मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। ठीक है, अब हमें हाफ ऑफ दी AC तो चाहिए। ठीक है, तो उसको कुछ नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन हाफ ऑफ दी BE जो है हमारा वो हो जाएगा BD। तो बी डी हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, इक्वल्स टू हाफ ऑफ द ए सी. ओके, हेयर वी हैव प्रूव दैट ए सी इक्वल्स टू बी ई बाय सी पी सी टी. ओके, सो ये पहला पार्ट है, ये यहाँ तक सेकंड है, ये यहाँ तक लास्ट पार्ट है. ओके, यू कैन नोट इट डाउन, दिस इज लेंदी क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो हेयर आर 4 क्वेश्चंस गाइज. ओके, तो आज के लेक्चर को हम यहीं फिनिश करते हैं. इसके और अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में करेंगे. अभी ये 2-3 लेक्चर तक और चलेगा टॉपिक, क्योंकि अच्छा चैप्टर है, इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर है. ओके, सो वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. ओके गाइज, थैंक यू गाइज, हैव अ नाइस डे.